Is Bitcoin just online money, or is it something bigger? In the next 4 minutes, I'll explain what Bitcoin really is and why it matters. Welcome to Crypto Seed, where we make crypto easy. If you're new here, hit subscribe for daily 3-minute crypto lessons. Let's dive in. Bitcoin is the world's first cryptocurrency, created in 2009. It's a type of digital money that works without banks or governments. You can send Bitcoin to anyone, anywhere in the world, instantly. There's no paper, no physical form, just secure digital code. Bitcoin was created by someone or a group named Satoshi Nakamoto. No one knows who they really are. They wanted a money system that's fair, open, and controlled by the people. Bitcoin works using a technology called blockchain. Every transaction is recorded in a public, unchangeable digital book. It's like a spreadsheet that everyone can see, but no one can cheat. This is what makes Bitcoin secure and transparent. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. That limited supply makes it scarce, like gold. People trust it because no one can create more out of thin air. It's not controlled by any company, bank, or country. That's why people call it digital gold. Some people use Bitcoin to save money. Others use it to send money across borders. You can buy it on exchanges like Binance or Coinbase. But always be careful. It's still a new technology, and prices can go up or down fast. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. If this helped you understand Bitcoin, give this video a like and comment below, "I get it now." Tomorrow, we'll talk about how to buy your first crypto step by step. Don't miss it.